how to format the slide background with color in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and access the file you want to work on. Go to the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Once you're in the Design tab, move your cursor to the far right end and select Format Background. The Format Background pane will open on the right side of your PowerPoint window. Here, you'll see an option labeled Fill. Under Fill, you have several options to choose from. Once you've selected the fill type, you can now choose the color you want. Simply click on the color box and pick your preferred color. You could also adjust the transparency and brightness according to your preference. Great! Now you've changed the background of your slide. However, what if you want this background to be on all the slides? It's simple. At the bottom of the pane, there is an option called Apply to All. Simply click on that, and the color and settings you've selected will be applied to all slides in your PowerPoint presentation. And that's it.